morning students, welcome back to social class. Students, in the previous class we have studied the topic discrimination, inequality, about the multiple identities that possess an individual, about the caste discrimination in India. There were 4 castes according to the occupation in ancient India, about the lower caste and what problems they face in that time period. Okay. In today's class, we will continue with the topic Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and his fight against the caste discrimination. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the first person to fight against the caste discrimination. He was also known as Baba Saheb. He was born in 1891 and died in 1956. He belonged to a lower poor caste family and they were treated as, their family was treated as untouchables, means they are segregated from the societies, they are not allowed to use public places, public services and were not allowed to enter the temples also. Okay. He also suffered the same ill treatment which were faced by the other lower caste people when he was child. Although he was allowed to enter in school, he was allowed to get education, but he has to sit separately in the school and was not allowed to mix up or mingle with the other children of upper caste. That is, there is untouchability that they face. He was the first person who fought against prejudices, discriminations, and he fight for the right of untouchables in the society. Next point, he led active movements against untouchability. The untouchability which was prevalent in the society, he fought against it. He conducted many movements to remove untouchability from the society. In 1947, when India got freedom, he was made the chairman of drafting committee, and the work of this drafting committee is to draft a constitution for independent India. Now, what is constitution? Constitution is a set of rules and regulations which are needed to govern a country. Okay. Our next topic is Indian Constitution and diversity. Constitution means a set of rules and regulations which are needed to run a country, to govern a country. First point, Constitution provides equality for all citizens, means Constitution says that all citizens in a country is equal before the law and there should be no discrimination on the basis of caste, color, religion, language, region for all citizens. Next, preamble. Now, what is preamble? Preamble is the brief introduction of the Constitution in which what are the objectives of Constitutions is provided. Objective of the framers is to, now who are the framers who made the Constitution, and the objective of these framers is to provide justice, equality, liberty. Liberty means freedom, and fraternity. Fraternity means feeling of friendship and feeling of support between two people. For all Indians, means Constitution says that there should be equality, fraternity, freedom, liberty and justice for all the Indians who lived in a country. Next, fundamental rights. There are 6 fundamental rights in the Constitutions which abolish untouchability, means which ends untouchability and not allow its practice in any form. Okay. No discrimination means there should be no discrimination on the basis of caste, color, region, religion, language, gender, etc. in a country. Next point, all people are equal in the eyes of law, means all people should be treated equal in a country. Now, what provisions? Provision of equality, liberty, freedom, justice, fraternity. Constitution aims that to fulfill the dreams of freedom fighters who led the struggle to get the India independence, freedom. Okay. Next, still also there is discrimination prevalent in the society, so we all should, it should be the duty of all of us to understand the impact of discrimination, disadvantages of discrimination, demerits of the discrimination, and take steps for peaceful progress of the country. Okay. So here we complete our chapter number 24, and we will do the written work of this chapter in our next class.